Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
I am SR 84, 34 years of age and married. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. And I have one sister, and I'm the eldest, ma'am.
Have you worked abroad before?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience in Beirut, Lebanon for 8 years with Rami.
Being a domestic helper, how will you look after your employer's children?
I will feed them in time. I will attend to their daily needs, and I will take care of them like they're my own child.
What are your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper?
My duty, ma'am, is to cook, washing clothes, ironing clothes, marketing, maintain the cleanliness of the house, washing cars, and taking care of their kids if needed. And I especially will take care and provide all the needs of my employers and their children.
Tell me more about your cooking experience.
I can do simple dishes, ma'am, like Filipino foods or an Arabic foods. I can cook pinakbet for Filipino foods, dinengdeng, and for Arabic foods, I cook for gnocchi. But I'm willing to learn Chinese cooking, ma'am.
Do you have any day off?
Yes, ma'am, I have a day off at least once a week.
Do you have your own room?
Yes, ma'am. I have a, but I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
What can you promise to your future employer?
Sir, my mom, so I promise to take care of the house and your children, and I will be at my best in all times, and I will finish my 2 years contract.
Can you give your best as a man to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am.